This is a royal room at the Port Orleans Riverside Resort, and I am gonna give a quick room tour. It's rather late in the evening, the first night of our trip, but I did want to show just how gorgeous and detailed this room is before going to bed. This is the AC unit. Even the AC unit is themed and pretty. Two chairs and a table. There's a note on the table. From Princess Tiana. And a very pretty mirror. Pretty chandelier with some Mickeys on it. And the border up here along the ceiling has a Boo and Aladdin's lamp and Jock and Gus from Cinderella, Chip from Beauty and the Beast, and Flora, Fauna, and Merryweather from Sleeping Beauty. And that runs all the way around the bedroom. Here's our TV. Little coffee maker, ice bucket and glasses. Got some hookups here. Got the hookups for things you can plug into the TV. And you got your drawers on the right side and your mini fridge here on the left. Decent sized drawers. I love this here on the floor. It's part of the carpet. It's a design in the carpet. It's not raised up or anything, but that is the flying carpet from Aladdin. And over here, this is one of my favorite parts, is the ottoman from Beauty and the Beast. That's artwork here of Princess Tiana. Although the frame looks like it's meant to be Snow White with the SW and the bunnies and the owls. And then we have this lovely curtain separating the bedroom from the bathroom. Actually two curtains. I don't know how much movement you'd get out of the outside blue one, but this orange one will go the whole way across. And in here we have a safe, and this one is actually kind of old-fashioned. Most Disney hotel rooms have the digital safe. This one has an actual key to it. Ironing board, iron, extra pillow and blanket, hanging space, some space for suitcases. And then we have two sinks, a very pretty vanity, and the faucets are actually a lamp from Aladdin. Two mirrors and lights. And all the fixtures in this room are very pretty and very detailed. There's a different border here in the bathroom with different characters from different princess movies. A nice full-length mirror here on the back of the door to the rest of the bathroom. And in here we have the toilet and the shower. Shower curtain has starfish and dingle hoppers and snarf blats from Little Mermaid. Some pretty tile. Couple of little shelves. This here ties in with the counters at the sinks. And of course you got your Disney H2O bath products, which, forgive me if I've mentioned this in a previous room tour video, but most everybody loves them. I am not a fan. I cannot get that shampoo to lather in my hair for love nor money. But most people really like them. And I'm gonna get some better light for the rest of the tour here. Alright, so we've come out of the bathroom and we have all of this lovely princess artwork of various Disney princesses here on the wall. beds appear to be at least somewhat Princess Tiana themed. A nightstand here in the middle. We've got two regular plugs here. Nightstand. And the other bed, same as the first bed. And we have this adorable little Cinderella coat hook here. And then we're back to the door where we came in. So yeah, this is the royal room. We have a view of the woods. I'll try to remember to show that in the morning. Right now it's just going to look like dark outside. But, oh! Okay, I have to figure out how to show this to you. This is amazing. Okay, let's try this one. This is so pretty. Okay, that is gorgeous. So both of the beds make the little fireworks show. There's this little button here on the side you push to get the fireworks. Oop. And then this other little switch on the side will light the lights in the headboard itself. So I guess if you wanted to read or whatever. So that's pretty nice. So that's been the tour of the royal room at Port Orleans Riverside Resort at Disney World. Looking forward to staying here for the next few days. Don't know how much video we're going to be taking on this particular trip, but we hope that you have enjoyed this one. Thanks so much for watching.